How to add Stripe to Shopify. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and manage their own online stores with ease, in which it provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of customizable templates, making it accessible to users with little to no technical background. And Shopify also offers the features such as secure payment processing, inventory management, and marketing tools with integration such as for various sales channels. So now to create an account, just click the login button or the sign up button on the top right. And after signing in, you will be directed on this homepage of Shopify, where you can start navigating on the left side panel some of the options such as orders, products, customers, and many more. But to proceed adding the Stripe as your payment method, you can simply click the settings button in here. Upon clicking on it, it will show you on this window some of the options once again. So just click the payments option in here to proceed. And from here, it will show you that you can start adding the Stripe with different kind of methods such as by payment providers, choosing the payment method, or even manual payment methods in here. But by choosing the provider in here, we can simply choose here or search the Stripe on the search bar. Or you could also start clicking this Stripe in here option. However, it is only available to some certain countries. And after clicking on it, from here you can simply log in your email address or your Stripe account to link to Shopify. You could also enter the password in here. And after that, it will automatically be connected your Stripe account. But if you don't have a Stripe account, you can simply go to this stripe.com and simply sign up or sign in your account by entering here firstly your email address, then click Start Now button to proceed. In which, upon doing so, you'll be directed on this page right here as you can see, where you can simply fill out all of this required information or sign up using Google to be directed or start creating your account. And now after signing in, you'll automatically be directed on this Stripe platform, and it will show you that you are now currently signed in, and it will show you the dashboard of your stripe.com account. So after signing in, you can now simply link your Shopify to this Stripe in here. And to do that, the same process of choosing a provider, or you could also add a payment method. However, as you can see in here, by searching by provider, it will show you that there is no Stripe available as the option of payment methods. So again, we can simply go back on the same process of doing so, which is by choosing the provider in here and simply search in here or simply click the Stripe option below, which is unavailable in my current country. And after that, you will be directed in here and just click the connect button in order to start linking or connecting your Shopify to this Stripe. And upon doing so, you should be able to see here under your payment options, this Stripe has now been connected, in which it offers 0% transaction fee and card rates set by Stripe. Or alternatively, you could also do the manual payment methods and click Create Custom. And from here, simply fill out the custom payment method name. For example, I'm going to enter Stripe payment method as the name of this. And you could also add additional details in here if you want to, in which this will be displayed to customer when they're choosing the payment method. And after that, below here is the important part is this, the payment instructions. So you can simply enter here a step-by-step instruction so that the customer can simply pay using their Stripe account. And as you can see, the first thing that I did in here is to simply send the exact amount to this Stripe account, which is my account email address. And you could also instruct them to send the screenshot as the proof of transaction. And after that, you could also enter here, you will receive a confirmation on your email inboxes once the payment has now been processed or the order has now been confirmed. And after that, you can simply click the activate button to start adding the manual payment for Stripe. But overall, that is just basically how you can add a Stripe to Shopify.